guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is blow dried, and today I'm going to be doing mini braids on my hair as a protective style for these winter months because my hair has been very dry lately and I'm tired of doing it, so I'm just gonna braid it up. So the products I'm gonna be using is this. Okay, this is an edge brush, but I use it as like a rat tail comb. And then I have clips, well, a clip. This Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk, looks like that. And oil. This is just some oil that I mixed up in this bottle. It's only a little bit left, but I mean, that'll break from my whole head. To start, I'm just gonna take this oil and I'm gonna put it all over my scalp because my scalp gets really dry in the winter time. Like, y'all. If y'all have dry scalp, y'all know what I'm talking about because this, I don't like it. But in the summertime, it's like my hair is more moisturized than in the winter. Does that make sense? But yeah, so we're just gonna take this oil and just rub it on the scalp. So I'm just gonna split my hair from ear to ear. So this is like, I'm gonna turn my head to that. This is like the length of my hair, blow dried. But I'm just gonna make a section that I think would be big enough to start braiding. This is about the size section that I want to start. I just take like this much hair from that section. We're gonna take about a good amount because I don't want the braids too small, but I don't want them too big either. I gotta take these down, and I'm not about to make these tiny braids all over my head. This is the first section. Man. I'm just gonna put like that much. That's about a good point to stop. Y'all can see that. Like, that's about 3 inches unbraided. And this out every time. I'm gonna take this comb and I'm just gonna squeeze it on the, whatever this is called, the handle. Yeah, the handle. So this is how far I've gotten. I've did 2 rows. For the start on the 3rd row, y'all. We're making progress. Oh, shoot. But this is the back of my hair. I do the ones in the back smaller because I want them to last longer. And then I do the ones in the front smaller. But like in the center right here, them boys gonna be thick. I purposely chose the most tedious style. I could have did mini twists, but like braids last longer. Hey guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I got to the front of my hair, but I'm gonna start on this side and do the same amount on this side, and then I'm gonna start in the back, and then I'm gonna leave a square part at the top and finish that tomorrow. It is 10:09. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Y'all, It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I didn't go to sleep till 3 o'clock this morning. I just woke up, literally. I went downstairs, got me some water, came back up. I was like, all right, time to start. So I finished the what side is this? The right side, the left side to y'all. So I finished this side of my hair. It took about 3 hours. It looked pretty good. I already like wet the ends and stuff to curl them. I'm gonna finish the other side and then I'm gonna come back when I'm done and show y'all the finished result. So I made it to the last part of my hair, y'all. Okay, my hair is done. And here is the finished result, y'all. 2 days, a lot of hours, and my hair is complete. This is my hair. It's so cute. I got the ends back right, as y'all can see. No frizz nowhere, y'all. Where y'all see frizz at? Tell me. Nowhere, right? Right, okay. Let me see. If I flip my hair to the side, right now it's gonna be worn like this because that kind of hurt a little bit. Not that they're tight. You know how you get fresh braids and your scalp just kind of sensitive? I just feel weird. Yeah, this is my hair finished result. Subscribe to my channel. You know, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at manifestation_. I also have a hair page where I post like my hairstyles. Just follow me on those. And yes, thanks for watching.